Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif. Today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to edit a indoor portrait. I'm opening up image which is downloaded from the deviant.com, this image, and after edit this it will like that. This one here is the before and after. Okay, I'm opening it up and then I'm just showing you the before and after options. This one was the before one, and after applying the cinematic effect or some color correction, it's the artistic look. Okay, I'll make this photo to this photo. Okay, let's start. This one is our non-edited photo downloaded from the deviant.com. I'll give you the download link of this image and don't forget to check it out and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, fine. Then just make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl J, or you can drag it or drop here a new layer options. Okay, make another copy by pressing Ctrl J. First one will be D for dodge the shadow, and B for burn the highlighted options. Okay, turning off the D option and select the B or burn option, making it skin. Go to the blending options and just slide the slider, find out the highlighted area of this face and just press the alter button and just smoothly just adjust with the lights and hit the OK button. Mask this one, go to the image, then apply image and hit the OK button. After that, select the dodge option or D layer and then go to the blending mode, multiply, and going to the blending options and slide this slider just and press the alter button, divide this slider and just adjust the shadow with the face and hit the OK button. After that, same, mask this one and go to the image and apply image, and in this case check this invert option and hit the OK button. After that, select these two layer and make it group and just mask this group and go to the image and apply image. In this case, just uncheck these invert options and hit the OK button and you'll get the change of the high shadow and highlight. Okay, that's good, and just click once here, making it group by pressing Ctrl G and making it merge. After that, go to the filter and camera filter, and in this camera filter I will adjust some color and the other things. Okay, I'm at first I'll reduce some highlight, add some white, and HSL I'll reduce some orange, add some red saturation and reduce some luminance of red. Okay, and then I'll add some clarity 11 and then going to the sharpening option and add some amount of sharpening and add noise reducer, the luminance. Okay, and after that I'll go to the curves and just select here and I'll make it down, then select here again and just I'll add like that. Okay, after that I'll go to the camera calibration, I'll make little bit like that, add some primary green and reduce some primary saturation of blue and then hit the OK button. After hit the OK button, I'll go to the adjustment layer and the color lookup. After that, add the horror blue color and making it the soft light. After making it soft light, opacity will be 25% or 20% is good. Okay, you can reduce the fill the 75%. Okay, that's nice. And after that, making it group by pressing Ctrl J, Ctrl G actually, G for group. Okay, and making it merge and go to the filter and Nick collection, the color effects pro. If you want to get this color effects pro Nick collection, then you have to check out my video description. I'll give this download link or this plugin download link in my video description. Okay, from here I'll choose the filter which is like that and hit the OK button. it will take time actually. And after applying this one, it will get the cinematic effect. You can reduce some feel of this form. Okay, that's good. And making it group and making it merge by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E. And let's see what was the previous one. Okay, this one is non-edited image. After edit this one you will get this one. Okay, this one is more cinematic or more mature or pro. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you want to get this type of amazing tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. If you have any type of questions, feel free to ask me in the comment or other social medias. I am just willing to give your answer. And thank you so much again. I'm ASM Arif signing out today, and bye bye.